Hello, and I'm glad to have you here. With this video, we are beginning a new series of lunch recipes, especially for those of you who are interested in making diet plans for a weight loss regime. This recipe is that of a coconut rice, along with some balanced portions of proteins and other nutrients. Check out this recipe of meal prep and try making it for yourself for your next day's lunch. Here into a pressure cooker, I'm adding the measured water required for cooking the rice. As of now, here I'm taking 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Accordingly, you can measure for the amount of rice you are going to take. Let's add salt and a splash of cooking oil. Then bring the water to boil. In the meantime, take the measured rice and wash it thoroughly and get it ready for cooking. If you have time at hand, you can also previously soak the rice for about 15 to 30 minutes. Also, you can take any rice of your choice. Here I have taken the long basmati rice. Preferably the long rice or the jasmine rice suits well for this recipe. And it's better to avoid the sticky or the starchy kind of rice. Now once the rice is clean and ready, let's directly add it to the boiling water and allow to cook. Based on the rice you take, it may be ready in about less than 10 minutes, though this time can slightly vary based on the type of rice you choose. Also, to speed up the process, you can close with the lid and cook the rice. See, you can make this coconut rice whenever you get some free time and then store them in the refrigerator in good food grade containers and easily use them for 1 to 2 days without any hassle, in case if the daily meal prep and plannings are hectic for you. In the meantime, when the rice is cooking, you can simply make a quick salad as a side dish. Simply add in the veggies of your choice. This in turn helps to include more vegetables into your diet. And being raw, it adds to the dietary fiber and is nutritious too. Also, adding yogurt is a good idea of including probiotics. Now, if you're interested, you can also check out our playlist of breakfast recipes, especially made for those on weight loss regime. Check out the recipes and see if something excites you. Now, this is a quick salad which is a go-to recipe for me during any of my meals. And so, by this time, the rice may be ready. Let's get to it. This being the basmati rice, it took me about 7 to 8 minutes to reach 90% cooking. So here's the rice almost cooked well. It has reached about 80 to 90% cooking and is now in good form. Let's keep it aside for a while. And now let's proceed to make the quick and easy coconut rice. Then heat a pan at medium to low. You can add oil or any other source of fats like butter or ghee. Next, add some cumin seeds and also some whole spices. Apart from adding flavor to the rice, all of these are very good for digestion as well. More details about the ingredients used and their effect on health is cited in our website, and you can find the link to our website in the description below. Do check that out if you're interested. And then let's add minced garlic. Roast the spices well. I'm also adding a finely chopped onion. Saute for 1 minute. Next, I like to add some lentils for a crunchy mouthfeel. Though this is optional, simply roast all these for 1 to 2 minutes. To make it more rich and flavorful, I also like to add some cashew nuts. These we know are good sources of proteins and other nutrients. All these ingredients makes the rice more nutritious as well as will help to create a feeling of fullness that of course will help you to prevent overeating and keep you full for a longer time. Here comes some raisins as well. Simply roast all these for 1 to 2 minutes. Now comes the main ingredient of this rice, the coconut shreddings. Here I'm taking some fresh coconut shreddings. In case if you don't find fresh ones, you can also opt for the dry, desiccated coconut. Coconut is a good source of fiber and protein, as well as it is rich in minerals like iron and potassium. That's it. Now let's add the cooked rice. I'm adding the whole of the cooked rice, and this in total makes about 4 serving size. And so, as I mentioned earlier, you can prepare this coconut rice and store it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days, and then simply reheat and use when you're on a busy schedule or probably when you're lazy to cook. Now gently toast the rice and mix in with the condense. At this time, check for the salt and add if it is necessary. I also like to add some green chilies for an extra spice. We are almost done, so off the flame. And if you wish, you can garnish the rice with some parsley and some fresh coconut shreddings. Now, this simple coconut rice is ready. You can serve it with any source of protein of your choice and have a healthy lunch. Anyways, this time I'm going to pair it with a simple omelette, which you know is again a good source of protein. Eggs are very simple to cook and they are good sources of proteins and vitamin D. And being rich in protein, they will keep you full for a longer time. Here I'm simply whisking in 2 medium-sized eggs with a pinch of salt. It is ideal to include different kinds of proteins on different days for better absorption and also for a better appetite. Now, for those of you who are already on weight loss therapies, you can use these recipe ideas for a healthy and less boring meal preps. And then into a greased pan, let's simply pour the condensed and make a quick omelette. Now, I also love to include some veggies, but that's completely up to you. You can use any veggies of your choice. So, having healthy meal prep ideas and moderate eating habits will really help you out towards your goal. These days, we hear a lot of talks that rice is to be completely avoided during a weight loss journey. Though personally, I advise my clients to include rice in any form during any one time of your meal, but of course, in moderate quantities. But again, you may also substitute rice with any other good sources of carbs if you dislike rice or maybe it's not available at your place. Let's now serve it in our style. Ideally, for a weight loss diet, measure and serve the rice in moderate quantities just to satisfy your hunger. Or in case if you are following some strict diet plans, then simply stick on to your dietitian's advice. And remember to include the protein in your meal. And here let's also serve it with a quick salad. So take time to relish your meal with this healthy and homemade coconut rice. But simply keep track of your portion size and remember not to overdo. Preparing different kind of rice recipes and adding in varieties of flavors will help you to satisfy your appetite and cravings, especially when you are on long-time diet regimes. Thank you for being with us and looking forward to see you soon in our next video. And then also, don't forget to share with us your feedbacks, either in the comments below or simply mail to us.